Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap shutdown, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. So you just hold them until some kind of menu appears, I mean this kind of menu. So here in this menu you can use volume up key to navigate and volume down key to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. In the following menu, using both keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select the third option, enter Fastboot, and after that you will end up in a Fastboot mode. So here in this mode, just like in the previous one, you just navigate with volume keys and select with power key, and you have options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off, which is basically just an quit options of this mode. Like the first one returns you to the previous, the first one restarts your device, the second one returns you to the previous menu, the third one returns you to the first menu, and the fourth one just turns off your device. So let's just restart it, and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.